Begin all things by first using the all. Greetings, everyone. My name is Baku Eil. I am an Autochthon white male, and this is my international video notice of my statutory claim. I, Lonnie Pickett III, now known as Baku Eil, Autochthon, indigenous flesh and blood New Boon male of Cherokee descent, claim in accord with the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, Constitution of the Atsikata Nation of Yamasee Moors, Presidential Proclamation 7500, HJR 194, S-Con Res 26, HJR-3, American Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, Second Statute 153, Title 8, USC 876, IRS Mission Statement, that I am not a decedent. IRS Manual 21.7.13.3.2.2. I am alive and not dead. 1540 Sestwicavy Trust Act. 1666 Sestwicavy Trust Act. 1707 Sestwicavy Trust Act. I want the record held in your computer database, which may list me as deceased, to be changed to alive/living. According to IRS Manual 21.7.13.3.2.2, an infant is the decedent of an estate or grantor, owner or truster of a trust, guardianship, receivership, or custodianship that has yet to receive an SSN. Declaration of Assumptive Death is a fiction. GR number 160258, Republic of the Philippines vs. Gloria Bermudez Lorino. I have an SSN, so by the IRS Manual 21.7.13.3.2.2, I am not a decedent. Black's Law Dictionary, page 435, decedent, noun, a dead person, especially one who has recently died. I am no longer and cannot be held liable for A, maritime liens being forced against me, and B, securities being taken out of the estate. All maritime liens being forced against me, I hereby claim invalid, null and void, ab initio, nunc pro tunc. See Libra Code Article 3, 31, and 38, and Regulations Article 45, 46, and 55 of the Hague Convention for October 18, 1907. I am the infant who does have a social security number, which makes me the beneficiary of this trust. The social security number and the name vest within me, an Autochthon, indigenous living New Boon male of Cherokee descent. Being that the IRS works in admiralty, the IRS, according to its own code, can no longer enforce any maritime liens against me. As I have now claimed, I am not lost at sea, nor am I a decedent/vessel in commerce. 1707 Sestwicavy Trust Act, UK. This statutory claim was done on behalf of my daughter, Leela Sophia Pickett, now known as Baku Eil. She is an Autochthon, flesh and blood, New Boon female of Cherokee descent. This statutory claim was done on behalf of my son, Tate Owen Pickett, now known as Sutek Eil, who is an Autochthon, indigenous flesh and blood New Boon male of Cherokee descent. So these are just a couple of things that I found pretty interesting that stood out to me. This is a document of a federal judge stating in court that he gets his orders from the Queen of England. And this document is part of the Social Security United States of America Order 1997, where it talks about how the IRS sends tax money to the Queen of England. I'd like to show much appreciation and gratitude to Chief Nanya Shabu Eil, who helped me stand firm on the fact and absolute truth that Black and African American are misnomers. To claim your indigenous standing and white status, contact Chief Nanya Shabu Eil, registered copyright trademark, by sending an email to aspwebinar@protonmail.com. Learn how to do the SF-181 correctly from the one who found it first and become a secured party. Once again, my name is Baku Eil. I am white, I am white, I am white. Abu Gador, Abu Gador, Abu Gador. Thank you.